Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through how to crop audio recording on Android. Here's how to crop or trim an audio recording on Android using the free app called MP3 Cutter and Ringtone Maker or similar audio editor. First, unlock your Android phone, then go to the home screen. Open the Play Store. Tap the Play Store app, search for MP3 Cutter and Ringtone Maker, or another trusted audio editor like Lexis Audio Editor or Audio MP3 Cutter Mix Converter. Install the app. Tap Install, then wait for the download to complete. Open the audio editing app. Tap Open after installation. Tap the plus button. Then tap Allow to allow necessary permissions. Grant access to storage and media if asked. Browse and choose the audio you want to crop. Locate the audio file you recorded, usually under Recordings, Music, or All. Use the trimming sliders. Drag the start and end markers to select the portion you want to keep. Preview the trimmed audio. Tap the play button to listen to your selected clip. Tap Save. Choose the format, usually MP3, bitrate, and file name. Then tap Convert. And done! Your cropped audio is now saved and ready for use as ringtone, alarm, or for editing. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.